In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chart in TradingView. If you've accumulated a bunch of chart layouts over time and want to tidy things up, this quick guide will show you the safest way to remove a layout you no longer need. By the end, you'll know exactly where the delete option lives and how to avoid removing the wrong layout by mistake. Before we begin, a quick note on terminology. In TradingView, what many people call a chart is often a saved chart layout. A layout includes your symbol, time frame, indicators, drawings, color theme, and other preferences. Deleting a layout permanently removes that saved setup from your account. It's different from simply closing a tab or clearing drawings on the screen. If you think you might want the setup later, consider creating a duplicate or saving a backup first. Start by moving it to the top of the chart interface and look for the small drop-down arrow next to the current layout name. It's in the top bar and maybe near the Save or Cloud icon depending on your theme. Clicking this arrow opens the layout options so you can manage what's saved in your account. From that menu, choose Open Layout. This brings up a panel showing all of your saved layouts. You'll see each layout by name, often with a timestamp of when it was last saved. This is the best place to review what you have, confirm which layout you actually want to remove, and double-check for similarly named versions that you might want to keep. Find the layout you want to delete in that list, then click the Delete icon next to it. TradingView may ask you to confirm the deletion. Go ahead and confirm if you're sure. Once deleted, the layout disappears from the list and won't appear in your layout menu anymore. This affects only that specific saved layout. Your other layouts, watch lists, alerts, and account settings remain as they are. Keep in mind that any drawings or indicator configurations unique to that layout are removed with it, so make sure you won't need them later. If you don't see the drop-down arrow at the top, try widening your browser window or zooming out slightly so the full toolbar is visible. Also, be mindful of which layout is currently active. Deleting a different layout from the list won't impact the one you're working in, but deleting the active one will remove that saved configuration from your account. And that's it. You've cleaned up your saved layouts by opening the Layout menu, selecting Open Layout, and using the Delete icon to remove the one you no longer need. Happy charting, and keep your workspace lean and focused.